for real estate traditionally involves hours of sensory overload. You scroll through thousands of disorganized listings, trying to manually filter out properties that miss the mark on price, location, or layout. Kemedar's AI property search removes the friction from that process. By learning your specific parameters and tracking your behavior, it isolates high-quality matches for both personal homes and investment properties. In this tutorial, we will configure your core search filters, establish a strict geographic radius, and train the AI using a gamified swiping interface. Learning to use these specific tools puts you in control. You stop browsing a static database and start directing a personalized agent. Step 1 is establishing your baseline. Open the search interface and navigate to the filter panel. Tell the system your intent on the purpose menu. Selecting for sale versus for investment immediately segments the property pool. Next, define your financial ceiling. Enter your maximum budget and currency. This hard constraint prevents the AI from showing properties you cannot acquire. With financial set, we move to the secondary phase, filtering for physical amenities and lifestyle requirements. Under amenities, check off your baseline requirements. If your routine requires a gym or a specific number of bathrooms, lock those in. Below that, define scenic preferences, like a garden view. Only select these if they are strictly necessary for your purchase. Over-filtering is the most common mistake. Selecting too many conflicting checkboxes removes the system's flexibility. Leaving secondary parameters loose gives the AI room to find high-quality properties that might surprise you. Even a property with perfect amenities fails if it complicates your daily routine. Location matters, but the commute matters more. Using the distance proximity tool, you can anchor your results geographically. Select critical landmarks from the drop-down menu, such as a local hospital or the nearest metro bus station. The system uses this data to draw a strict geographic radius. It calculates the actual distance between the property and those selected services, dropping anything outside your defined zone. If you prefer to bypass the manual drop-downs entirely, Kemedar features a natural language AI search tool. In this central text box, you can simply type out exactly what you're looking for in plain language. This graphic illustrates how the AI processes your requests through the logic filter. First, it builds your green list, compiling the absolute must-have features you've defined. More importantly, it compiles your red list. These are your non-negotiable deal breakers, categorized here as absolute no-goes. Feeding the engine a firm red list forces it to perform hard exclusions. It will automatically hide properties that match your budget but fail your lifestyle tests, saving you hours of wasted review time. With constraints locked in, we move to the mobile app for the discovery phase. On the Kemedar Match interface, you review properties one by one. Swipe right to save a property anonymously. Swipe left to pass. Swipe up to send an instant priority notification to the seller. Don't just swipe quickly to clear the queue. Every action you take feeds into the system's deep behavioral learning engine. The AI actively tracks micrometrics, measuring your exact time on a card and how many photos you view. If you spend 30 seconds exploring a 10-photo carousel of a modern apartment, the engine increases the mathematical weight of those specific finishings. The platform watches your behavior to understand what you actually prefer, continuously adjusting the properties it presents to build a personalized, highly accurate queue. The end goal of this process happens when your AI-curated swiping aligns with a seller. On this screen, you see the result. When both sides confirm interest, it triggers a mutual match. Your anonymity drops, and the system opens a direct channel. To maintain momentum, the AI instantly drafts the first message, giving you a professional introduction to start the negotiation. By setting strict initial filters and training the behavioral engine, you organize the market around your exact needs. Log in, establish your red list, and let the AI find your match.